Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I'm going to be in this video unboxing two new antennas for my helium mining. I've got a 5 dB antenna and an 8 dB antenna, and then I'll also show you kind of how I'm mounting them on my house. And either at the end of this video or in a follow-up video, I'll show you the difference of the results depending on how long that takes to show. So the first one here is our 5 dB. I'll go ahead and open this up. The links for these will be in the video description. These are pretty low cost, so we'll see how well they work out. That's the antenna there. These are fiberglass antennas. They do come with a 20-foot low loss KMR 195 cable. So this is not the highest grade. I know there's a lot thicker cables that come with these, but they're also way more expensive. So as I'm just getting started with the idea of this helium mining, I didn't want to get too much invested into it. So that's a look at the cable that comes with it, in case you're looking at these. That gives you an idea of the thickness of it. That's the end that goes into the antenna. So it's not, super thick, not super thin, kind of mid-grade cable right there. It also is coming with your mounting brackets. So some U-clamps here. So you can clamp it around your mount, your tower, or whatever that you're going to be mounting this to. I'm probably going to be using something like PVC, something like that, to get it up on top of the roof. So that is the 5.8. Pull the antenna out here for you. There's the 5.8 dB antenna. Gives you an idea about the length of it. So pretty small, it's not going to be too obnoxious. And then we have the 8 dB. Same thing, it's going to come with a box of your mounting hardware, the U-clamps. The same 20-foot cable. Basically the only difference here is the antenna itself. It's going to be a longer antenna. Higher dB. If you're not familiar with the differences in those, higher power so you can get more range. However, the spread of the antenna is actually lower. So that's what the 8 dB looks like. So this one is going to go, so I'm a little out further away. There's actually not a lot of hotspots near me, so I'm going to be using this one to try to get more range because I need to reach some of the other helium miners that are further away, where the 5 dB one I'm going to be using at another location that I have that is a little bit closer, a little more closer to town, so it doesn't need as much of that spread. So that's kind of what I'm looking at doing. That's the unboxing of those. They seem like good quality. They were pretty low cost, $40 to $60 I think on Amazon. Again, you can check the links down in the description to check the pricing on that. So I'm going to be working on getting those mounted, and I will cut to that here in the next part to show you. Alright, so I now have the new antenna actually up on my house here. I'll actually show you some footage here. So I've got the cable coming out the window of my garage where the miner is on the inside, and then move that cable up to get it attached on top of my house using a piece of PVC pipe. So that's kind of how I got it mounted up there. And yeah, was a pretty simple setup doing it that way, and it got it a lot higher up for more visibility. And so far it has pinged a few more additional hotspots, not just being seen as it was before by hotspots, but now actually being able to see other hotspots. So that was good. Obviously, with a lot of the changes with the Helium network, the profits on this are much lower. I don't think it's made more than $10 yet, and it's been 2-3 weeks. So it's going to take a while to return any on the investment of the miner itself. The bobcat miners, which I did an unboxing on, those were $500. The antenna was almost $100. So it's going to take some time, but I like the idea of the project. I'm hoping that they're going to continue to invest in IoT. I know there's the HIP 51 update coming, or is already in place, that's focusing more on the 5G. The reality is I can't buy the 5G stuff right now. I just, spent on all this. So I'm hoping that I'll at least be able to break even at some point, maybe this year. We'll see how what kind of rhythm this actually gets into. But I like the idea of the network. I like the idea of the crypto currency and the setup of what this is doing. So I'm kind of staying positive right now that they're going to continue to support the IoT side of their network, that there will be enough rewards paid to make it at least worth having it set up in the house. So we'll see how it pans out. Like I said, I know some of the updates that came out. The reality is I have the miners. I might as well set them up and use them. And I need to get the antenna up high enough so that there's a chance at making some profit from it. So I'll continue to do updates on these as I get the chance. But just wanted to share with you where I was on getting the antenna mounted and all that. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already for more things related to this, as well as other technology reviews, tips, things of that nature. And like this video if you liked it. Appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching.